An endoscopy is the general term for any time you look at the inside of the body with a camera, either a flexible camera or a rigid camera. Endoscopy, colloquially, is the term we use for looking at the upper aerodigestive tract, the esophagus, the throat, the stomach, to distinguish it from a lower endoscopy, which is another name for colonoscopy, where you're looking at the colon. So there's upper endoscopy and lower endoscopy. Lower endoscopy, colon; upper endoscopy, stomach, esophagus, throat. People get an endoscopy, which is a look at the stomach and small intestine with a tiny camera that's placed through the mouth. When you're going through the mouth, you have to be sedated because you're stimulating the gag reflex. So who's a candidate? Someone that has a lot of stomach pain, someone that has had a previous history of an ulcer, either in the stomach or in the small intestine, people with consistent abdominal cramping, unexplained weight loss. These are all reasons to have an upper endoscopy. Typically, when you have abdominal pain or nausea or a history of ulcer disease, you really need your stomach and small intestine looked at.